Hello everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Taylor and I try my best to make all sorts of homemaking encouragement videos for you guys here on this channel. Today's video is my first video that I'm making that will kind of like launch my 2 videos a week habit. I don't know the exact wording. I can't think of the exact wording for that. My brain is really tired today. I usually upload every Sunday and I will still do that, but I now want to start uploading on Tuesdays as well. I'm thinking that my Tuesday videos will be a little bit different, like not always cleaning videos, maybe like meal ideas, routines, so just like different kinds of stuff. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. I'm not going to talk a whole bunch. This is just a nighttime clean with me. This was after dinner. Everything is crazy. You see my daughter had her rain boots on. They usually go and play outside until it gets dark. I also do usually have them help me with chores. I guess on this day I just didn't. Anyway, I'm not going to talk for the whole video and I'm going to let you enjoy the cleaning. Alright, you guys, we're coming up to the end of this video. It was just a quick way for me to share with you, I guess, my nighttime cleaning that I do. I feel like it's really important that we go to sleep every night, at least for my family, with a clean house, because if I wake up to a mess the next morning, I am immediately mad at everyone for being messy. So I would rather all of us just clean up our mess the night before. Don't forget to let me know the kind of stuff you would like to see in my new Tuesday videos, and I really appreciate you watching all the way to the end. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.